Hello, how are you? So, we have planned to go to the Caserta Mall. Right now, we are in Pazzoli. So, from Pazzoli, we have to go to Garibaldi, and then from Garibaldi to we have to take a train, and then we have to take a bus. So, from there, we can go to the Caserta Mall. So, let's get into it. Get here, so we are waiting. Meet Olesia. Yes.
I think we should go there.
Can you move your hand? Move your hand. Sorry,
It's also serves as a customer.
because it was half of the frame.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, we reached Caserta. Say hi. Yeah, bro.
It's a good strategy. I think, yeah, I think.
So we have reached Caserta, and now we have to take a bus to go to the mall. So we are waiting for the bus.
As you can see, we are losing one of our members.
No,
Two actually. It's better actually. We're not going to wait for them, and they know, and it's okay. Bye, bye, beautiful friends. Oh, they're coming back! They're coming back! Oh, I'm happy.
I think our bus has arrived. Okay, so we are in the bus, and now we are heading to the mall. Now my friend will show you.
A match, a really good match. Okay.
Okay, we have reached the mall, and we are entering it. Okay, so that's the end of the video, guys. We bought a lot of stuff,
And to be honest, we are broke.
and we are.
And we are tired.
Really tired.
And we lost our last train to Puzzoli.
So you can like, share, and subscribe to give us a little more energy.
Please share, like, and subscribe.
See you in the next video. Ciao.
Ciao.